here we are at Flagpole Hill, right in between Lake Highlands and White Rock Lake, one of the many parks surrounding the entire lake area. And we are about to show you another exclusive off-market property brought to you by the Living in Dallas, Texas team.
Yeah, and one of the best things about the Lake Highlands area, well, there's many great things about living over here in Lake Highlands, but as you'll notice behind us, you're gonna see a lot of big rolling hills, a lot of different elevation, and well, maybe normally when it's not in the middle of the winter time, a lot of greenery, everything around here. So if you're looking for rolling hills, a little bit of elevation, a lot of greenery and privacy, this is definitely a place that you're gonna wanna check out. And not to mention, they have the parks, the trails. I've taken my little kids over here more times than I can count to come over here and play on the playgrounds. So it's a great city for families. It's a great city for young couples that are looking for something a little bit more, a little bit more different than you would normally see in the Dallas area that's really, really flat. So enough about this, let's go check out the home.
Now we're at the home we're about to show you. It's absolutely amazing. But I wanted to point out a couple of things first. Here in the Lake Highlands, just like Travis mentioned earlier, you can notice how these front yards are elevated. This home is on a little bit of a hill, but you'll notice the homes behind us. There's a wide variety of mix, just as Travis mentioned it as well, a mix of the old and the new. So you'll find some of these older ranch style homes throughout the neighborhood. They've either been remodeled, which you can usually tell that by if the brick has been painted, or you're gonna find the homes that have been torn down like we're about to show you, where this was built in 2016. But also you're gonna see some of these ranch style homes as well that have been added onto, or second additions or second floors added. So you get a really good mix of different varieties in these homes. But ultimately, my favorite part about these mature neighborhoods here in the Dallas area is all of the trees completely shade all of these streets and really gives it that exclusive feel. Let's go inside and check out this house now. And welcome to this beautiful home here in the Lake Highlands area. You'll notice as soon as you walk into the foyer area here, you've got this wainscoting that's wrapped around the entire entryway, gives it that nice attention to detail. You have open shelving right here, which allows for additional storage, but at the same time keeps that open concept feel so you don't feel closed off. You have storage right here by the fireplace for your media equipment. And again, this fireplace, absolutely amazing. You've got this marble herringbone tile that surrounds the fireplace to give it that nice attention to detail as well. You've got 11-foot ceilings, can lighting in here, and this home right now is priced at $1.75 million. It is 6 bedrooms, 4 baths, 4,335 square feet. On top of that, it's brought to you by a well-dressed home. Emily and her team completely designed this whole first floor of this entire house. Absolutely amazing. If you're looking for any interior design needs, Emily at A Well-Dressed Home is your go-to team here in Dallas. It doesn't matter if you're doing one room or an entire house, they are the team to call. Now, let's move into the backyard because I want to show you this. Now, here in Texas, we love outdoor living, and you've got all of this open area right here as soon as you walk out. You've got plenty of seating for your friends and family to hang out. You've got the outdoor kitchen area complete with the stove and bar seating as well. So you could keep a very close eye on the kids out here as they're playing around. Again, the turf in the backyard allows for low maintenance, and you have the big screen TV on the wall right here. So watching the game outside in the evenings on these nice, warm evenings that we have here in Dallas, absolutely amazing. But you're gonna love the kitchen. Let's go inside and check that out.
Isn't this a kitchen to die for? It's absolutely beautiful. I love what they did with the color combinations. Everything just flows very seamless all the way through, and you have this nice big open view into the living room. Then you also have this big one-piece quartz countertop for the kitchen island. You have this beautiful 6-burner gas stove, so you can be up here cooking a million different things at one time. It's just, I mean, everything that they did was really well thought out. Probably can't tell by the video, but you can actually see that this is 3D subway tile that they laid back here. It's absolutely beautiful. I think it's a really, really nice touch. And again, you have all this beautiful natural light running through here. And this island is big enough to comfortably sit 4 people. So if you're over here cooking on your big 6-burner stove, you can cook, you can talk to your guests. And again, it flows right through into the living room. So if you're watching sports, having a good time, there's plenty of space right here for all that. And I definitely don't want to forget to show off this beautiful wine bar. You have the wine refrigerator, you got the storage for the wine, and then you have this beautiful custom cabinetry with the mirror inlay. I feel like the mirror inlay kind of just opens things up, not making it feel so closed off. Absolutely beautiful job. And I want to take you into the formal dining room. It's absolutely beautiful. It's definitely to die for. So come on, let's go check this thing out. It's right this way. And of course, you know, every house, you got to have a coffee bar. So let's not forget, you got your coffee bar right here. So as we move this way into the formal dining room, you can see just how big and how open this room is. You have the textured wallpaper, dark blue wallpaper running through here. And again, the Wayne's cotton on the walls running through here. It is just super tall ceilings, which I really, really like. You have these big windows that let all the natural lighting come in, and you have this beautiful chandelier right here in the middle, just perfectly showcasing the formal dining room space. It's just very comfortable. It's very, very, very cozy. And if you look out right this way, you have nice plantation shutters. And if you want to open this up, you could totally open this up. And that's one of the beautiful things about living out here in Lake Highlands is you have all of this elevation. And I think this is one of the really cool features that you could open this up, have a lot of even more natural light coming in, and just have a good view if you're sitting here, if you're eating around the table with the family. Now that you've seen the formal dining room, let's go ahead, let's head upstairs and let's go check it out. All right, y'all, so before we show you the upstairs, which I'm super excited to show y'all, I wanna know what you think in the comments below. Are you feeling this house so far? I don't know about you, but I absolutely love what we've seen so far on the ground floor, all the natural light, all the colors, the way everything flows. I absolutely love it. This is definitely my style of home, but I'd love to hear what you think. And if you're liking this, make sure that you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so we can keep shooting these videos. Now, before I spoil y'all with the game room, which is absolutely epic, can't wait to show y'all. I'm gonna show you around the upstairs a little bit, show you what this house has, and we're gonna go ahead and go right back over this way. Let's check it out. Now, this house has so many rooms that they actually turned this bedroom into a home gym. Like you can see here, they got the treadmill. You can work out up here. Obviously, you can pretty much make these rooms anything that you want. It doesn't have to necessarily be a gym. It can be the perfect room for a kid's room as well. Nice big size rooms, huge walk-in closet. Can't really go wrong with anything in here. So let's go check out the next. Oh, my man Levi's right here. Levi, you wanna show him the rest?
We'll take over from here. Let's go. So here we have another one of the 4 guest bedrooms. As you can see, very simple, king size bed in here. That's very nice. You have the big screen TV here in the corner, and you have an ensuite bathroom. Now this also doubles as a Jack and Jill, so whenever we show you the entertainment space up here, this is where your guests would come and use this bathroom. But it's a full bath ensuite, but Jack and Jill as well. And it kind of just cuts over to one of the other guest bedrooms right over across the hall. Now this one also has a ensuite bathroom, but again, very simple. You've got the beautiful plantation shutters on here as well, full-size bed. And as we move into the ensuite bathroom here, you can see you've got storage off to the side, nice quartz countertops here, beautiful blue cabinetry below, ceramic tiles running through here, storage, again, your linen closet and space right off to the side as well. But this also doubles as another Jack and Jill bathroom for the other guest bedroom. You can see as you come over to this side, a nice little mini walk-in closet, and then you transition over in here into the next guest bedroom as well. Nice little workstation there for the kids, and then also nice sized bed. You got a dresser and a big screen TV right there to the side, and then you're going to cut through here where we're going into the best part of the upstairs, in my opinion, is the game room. Let's check this out, because this is what we all want to take part of. As you can see, Travis is over here practicing his golf game. You got the little putting green here. You've got air hockey, and of course, you've got your sectional couch here with the recliner so that you can watch the game, all your sports memorabilia. This is where the missus doesn't mind so much. or maybe this is the Mrs.
You never know.
You never
There's
know.
a lot of sports athletes
but
out here.
otherwise, this is the part where you get to hang all of your cool stuff that you collect, and you got the snacks over here, the little wet bar area,
Yeah, you got the
place for
fridge,
the
keep your
drinks.
drinks
Yep.
nice and cold.
Microwave even up here. I mean, and you can see, I mean, plenty of space up here. You've got storage, 2 storage rooms on both sides of the TV area here. But I tell you what, we're saving the best for last. We're gonna head back downstairs, show you the office space, which is actually another bedroom, but the master bedroom and bath, you're gonna love it. Let's go check it out. Now, before we check out the master bedroom and bath, we have to check out the other parts of the downstairs here. You've got another full bath, which also doubles as your guest bathroom for whenever you have people over here. You've got the mudroom right behind us with the laundry coming in from the garage. And then you have the other bedroom that doubles as the office. And of course, myself, these are some of my favorite parts of the homes because I do so much work from the home office myself whenever I'm not out in the field making these videos. But you can see here, very simple, got a really nice designed wallpaper on this wall here just to kind of break it up. And of course, hey, great place to display all your awards and everything you've won here. Now let's go check out the master bedroom and bath.
Alrighty, y'all, come check out this beautiful master suite. And of course, right when you walk in, you have the custom cabinetry, open shelving right here. So if you want to display your family photos or any type of books or anything that you want, I love how they built that into the wall. It just opens up more space so you don't have to put stuff in the actual master bedroom. And then look at this, it just opens up beautifully, right? You have the exposed wooden beams running through the top of the ceiling with the flush mount lights. You got the big open windows that let in all that natural light, and you have, of course, your big screen TV, hardwood floors, a big walk-in closet, and of course the master bathroom is to die for. I love it. So let's come in here and let's check this thing out. So as you come through into the master, you can see you have this big garden tub right here with the his and her sinks. Great lighting, beautiful mirrors, nice big walk-in shower. You actually have 2 shower heads in here, so obviously big enough for 2 people. And then you have another big walk-in closet right this way. And let's go on ahead and flip the switch. As you can see, big tall vaulted ceilings in here and plenty of storage. So you have the his closet out there and you have the hers closet in here. So you can win with the his and her closets. Definitely, it's a big thing here in Texas. So now let's go meet back up with Levi and wrap this property tour up. Come on, let's go.
Well, we hope you've enjoyed this tour of this amazing property here in the Lake Highlands area. Again, this is brought to you by the Living in Dallas, Texas team. My name is Levi Lassick, my partner Travis Plum. If you're interested in purchasing this home or any home like it, feel free to reach out in the description below. Be happy to help you out. Again, the entire first floor was designed by Emily and her team at A Well-Dressed Home. So again, if you have any interior design needs, feel free to reach out to her and her team. That information will be in the description below as well. And again, whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. Happy to help you make that smooth move to Dallas. And until next time, well, we hope to show you around town.